Hello, and welcome back to the DGP community. In this video, we'll be using a mobile device to show you how you can buy our Digis token, as well as how to begin yield farming to earn passive income using our Digiswap decentralized exchange platform, or DEX for short. First, find your Metamask application and proceed to open it. As you can see, we have BNB and Digis tokens already in our Metamask wallet, as we will need them in order to start yield farming. From here, select the menu icon and open the browser. Proceed to the following address: digiswap.finance. Click the menu icon on the website and select the DEX button, and you will be redirected to our decentralized exchange platform. As you can see below, we have the following options: exchange, liquidity, farms, and pools. First, let's make sure our Metamask wallet is connected to the DEX. Select the icon in the top left corner. If you do not see your account automatically connected as seen here, proceed to manually connect your wallet. Once completed, proceed to select the exchange icon. Select BNB as the currency you wish to use to purchase your Digis. Following, select the Digis as the token you wish to purchase. Field the amount of BNB you would like to use, and the value of Digis you will receive will automatically be fielded. Select the swap button. We will not be selecting the swap button in this example, as we already have sufficient amounts of BNB and Digis tokens in our Metamask wallet. And that's the procedure of how you can buy your Digis tokens. Let's proceed to how to begin yield farming and earning your passive income. Select the liquidity icon, followed by the Add Liquidity button. Now, you are required to add liquidity in order to receive our liquidity pool tokens, or LP tokens for short. Select BNB for the first currency. Select Digis for the second currency. Input the amount of BNB you wish to use, and the additional Digis you will need for your liquidity pair will automatically be fielded. Please note that we do not want to use all our BNB, as we will still need to have some left in our Metamask wallet to pay for the small fees that are incurred with every transaction done on the DEX. Select the Enable Digis button, followed by the Approve button. Now we want to click the Supply button, followed by the Confirm Supply button. Click the Confirm button once more, and your transaction will be submitted and approved. Select the Close button. Next, we need to select the Farms icon. Look for and select the Digis-BNB to show the details. Select the Stake LP button, followed by the Max button. Click the Confirm button. Select Confirm once more, and wait for the transaction to be confirmed, submitted, and taken out of your Metamask wallet. Your funds are now staked in the farm, and you will instantly begin receiving your passive income in the form of Digis tokens. Refresh the page, and you will continue to see your Digis earned continuously increase. Now let's move on to how you can harvest your Digis tokens to be sent to your Metamask wallet. You can harvest your Digis anytime you want, but we suggest you only do so sporadically to avoid paying unnecessary amounts in transaction fees, as you will be paying transaction fees for every time you harvest. Select the Harvest button. Select Confirm and wait for the transaction to be submitted, completed, and sent to your Metamask wallet. Finally, if for any reason you want to stop yield farming and consequently stop earning your passive income, select the minus button. Click the Max button, select Confirm, and select Confirm again. Wait for the transaction to be submitted and completed. Select the liquidity icon. Select the Digis/BNB. Click the Remove button. Drag the bar to 100%. Select the Enable button. Click the Sign button. Click the Remove button. Click Confirm. And then click Confirm one last time. And your transaction has been submitted and sent back to your Metamask wallet. Click Close and select the menus icon and proceed back to your wallet. Refresh the wallet and you will see that you have received back your BNB and Digis tokens. And that's all, folks. If you would like to see this procedure done on a desktop computer, you can find a link to that video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.